In a tranquil village nestled between towering mountains, life was simple and peaceful. But beneath the calm surface, uncertainty often lurked. Meet our protagonist, Ren, a young villager with dreams bigger than the mountains surrounding him. One fateful day, a fierce storm struck the village. Homes were damaged, crops destroyed, and the once peaceful villagers were gripped by fear and uncertainty. Ren, too, felt the weight of despair as she saw his dreams seemingly shattered by the storm. But Ren was not one to succumb to negativity. She knew that great things could emerge from the darkest times. With a heart full of determination, she decided to embrace the uncertainty and find a way to turn the situation around. Ren sought guidance from an elderly sage known for his wisdom. The sage listened patiently and then said, "Embrace the storm, Ren. Within every challenge lies an opportunity. Stay positive, and you will find the path to greatness." Inspired by the sage's words, Ren rallied the villagers. "We can rebuild," she said. "We can turn this adversity into a chance to create something better. Together, we can achieve greatness." The villagers, moved by Ren's positivity, agreed to join forces. With unity and determination, the villagers began to rebuild. They worked tirelessly, each contributing their skills and strengths. Ren's positive attitude was infectious, and soon, the village started to take shape again, stronger than before. The journey was not without its challenges. There were setbacks and moments of doubt, but Ren reminded everyone that uncertainty was a part of the journey to greatness. "Stay positive," he would say. "Every obstacle is a stepping stone." As they rebuilt, the villagers discovered new opportunities. They found better ways to grow crops, new techniques to strengthen their homes, and innovative ideas to improve their lives. The storm, once a source of despair, had become a catalyst for positive change. In time, the village was completely transformed. It was more prosperous, resilient, and united than ever before. Ren's unwavering positivity had turned a crisis into an opportunity for greatness. The villagers now understood the power of embracing uncertainty. Ren stood on a hill, overlooking the vibrant village. She reflected on the journey they had all taken together. In every negative situation, there is a seed of positivity, she thought. Embracing uncertainty and staying positive can lead to unimaginable greatness. Ren's story became a legend in the village. She taught the younger generation the importance of staying positive in the face of adversity. "Remember," she would say, "great things come from embracing uncertainty with a positive heart." And so, the village flourished, a testament to the power of positivity. Ren's legacy lived on, a reminder that even in the darkest times, embracing uncertainty with a positive outlook could lead to the greatest achievements.